How to drain an electric water heater. Turn water heater off from the panel. In this case, mine is number 9. Next, you get the hose. You gotta connect it to your water heater. Connect your hose to the water heater. Next, we're gonna open this valve. Do not shut your water supply off yet. You wanna fully open it. All right, fully open there. All right, let's go check our work. Here's the water hose. Hot water there. Do not touch. Let it flush out for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna turn the water supply off. Been a couple minutes, now it's time to turn the water supply off. I left the hot water knob on, and in my case, I got no more flowing water. I'm gonna go back to the main water supply and just turn it on quickly, on and off, just to try to flush out the remaining that's in this hose. Okay, I sputtered the water from the main water supply. That was just a quick on and off with the handle just to release the rest of the water that's in the hose and the air. Now it's time to close this valve back up to the water heater. Make sure you fully close that up. That's fully closed. Now I'll disconnect this hose. The water might be a little hot. Recommended to use gloves, but hey. And voila. Last, turn the water supply back on. I have a spin down sediment filter here. Pretty cool to watch as it fills up. Slowly turning the water back on. Fully on now. I have both cold and hot water on, releasing all the air. Once you hear all the air sputter out, once it's all done, you'll be good to go. Make sure the water heater fills up. You want to listen for it to, that it fills up all the way before you turn it back on from the electrical panel. Hope this helps. Like and subscribe.